Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 24th, 2022. We're going to talk about Snap stock today, and I'm trying to tell you on today's video that a sell signal was just triggered on the price chart to let us know that we might need to cut the play, because if we don't, we're going to increase the losses, and we don't do that here on this channel. We increase the profitability, but not losses. We cut the losses as soon as we realize that the price is not going in the direction in which we expected. So welcome to my channel. Yeah, you clicked on a pretty good video because I'm here to show you price predictions. Yeah, I do price predictions without the confusion. I've been on these YouTube streets for a while, and I got all my videos in the playlist, so you all can actually tell that this is not a fluke. This is not fake. This is actually real, of somebody predicting prices in stocks without using technical indicators, without talking about fundamental analysis. I simply look at the behavior, the collective behavior of every market participant. Everybody who hit a buy button or everybody who hits a sell button is recorded on the price charts. Why in the world would I be using something else? What people do with their own money also is an indicator. I don't think people realize that. What you and I do, whether we buy or we sell, whatever the reason may be, it might be because you think the earnings is going to be positive, or you think some merger and acquisition is about to go down, or a new product is about to come out. Whatever the reason is irrelevant. What I pay attention to is, are you buying it? If you feel that that's positive news, it's recorded on the chart. If the majority of the market feels that it's positive news, it's recorded on the chart. People anticipate where price is going to go. Those who sell and those who buy. So all you need to do is pay attention to the chart. So make sure you guys come on board and learn as much as possible, because I'm here for that. I want to show you, I want to teach you that you can actually do this for yourself without all of the complexities and the confusion that so many other people got you guys on. So hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Now, I'm gonna keep it real. I keep it a buck, right? If I don't get a price prediction right, I'm gonna show it to you. I'm not gonna try to hide it and tuck it in the corner and act like nothing never happened. That is not how I roll, because I understand that every price prediction that I do is not going to come to pass. It's not going to happen every time. And this is one situation to where I'm paying attention to say, all right, cool. The buyers are not showing up here in Snap. And when they don't show up, I don't show up. I cut the position and I go. And I play the downside. Now look at this. I recently did this video in Snap all the way back in February. Here it is, April the 24th. And I've given the market opportunity to go up. I've given the buyers enough opportunity to confirm that Snap was going to increase in price. Now, you guys can see it. It did go up slightly. Like, the buyers only had enough momentum to bring price up here to $41.60. That was it. Ever since then, price has been on the low. I came back through on March the 20th, right? And I was still expecting the buyers to come through the market. I was still looking for them to bring up this stock's price following that video on March the 20th, right here. And they did, but only minor. Like, the price didn't even break above $40 right here on April the 5th. Okay, cool. I got it. I get it. It's showing us something. The chart is actually speaking. The buyers are not here. This is what this chart in Snap is representing. And ever since that time, guess what? The price of Snap's been coming back down to where we're at support at $28. Now, I have given the market this opportunity to go up. It did, but only slightly. Came back down. I have given them another opportunity to break price higher, and they only brought it to $40. I get it. When they give me enough signals, enough signs to say, look, I just don't have enough money to continue to push this stock's price up in Snap. So they were leaving the market. The buyers have left. This is what this chart is representing in Snap. Now, they left up here around $40 to $41. They're not there, but I can show you where they are at. The buyers into the market in Snap is here, right there around 28. This is the third time that the price in Snap is coming back down here to $28. Now, if I'm going to cut this play, then that must mean that the buyers must not be around $28 neither. I might be looking for them to leave this level too. Now, let's see this though, okay? Because I'm going to show you from a longer term perspective that will give us a hint as to whether or not the buyers are here or if they're gone, okay, at $28. So let me get rid of this. I'm going to cut this price prediction though. I didn't like it. I gave the buyers enough time to convince me that they are going to continue to uplift this stock's price, and they didn't do it. So that would be down, what, 23.32% right there. I get it. So now let me go ahead and get rid of this, and I'm going to switch over to a different time frame, right? I want us to look from a long-term purview to see if Snap is going to hold $28. Okay, let me get rid of this line up here because price is definitely not up there around 48. See, that's one thing about me. I make sure that my charts stay clean. I don't want to fog up my chart. I don't want to make it cloudy. I don't want to make it dirty. So let me go ahead and get rid of that. Now, we know how important $28 is in the market in Snap, right? Look at this. This $28 level acted as restriction back in 2017, and it was acting slightly as restriction on October in 2020 until we broke the market, right? So now, where are we going to go? Let's look at this on the weekly. Okay. So this is Snap looking at the chart from a weekly perspective. Let me zoom in. What do you think? Do you think the buyers are here? Because when you see the market the last two times it came and held support, the weekly chart actually looked bullish, right? This particular weekly price bar looks bullish. Even this one, right? Well, we're here again. And the market of Snap doesn't look too bullish on this one. Look at that. The volume is definitely higher. So does it mean buyers are here? Or does it mean that there's more selling going on because people know that price is about to break 28? This is the market here on the 2 weeks time frame. Again, this 2 weekly price bar looks bullish. This one also looks bullish. The price closed higher than the previous 2 weekly price bar. Well, this one, it doesn't look the same. It looks different. It stands out. 3 weeks. Look at that. 5 weeks. So now, what do you all suspect the price in Snap is about to do? Here it is. We got 5 days and 5 hours left, right? For the month ends. This is the monthly price bar right here. Do you think the price is going to go up? Do you think price is going to go down? Because one thing I would tell you is that price is not lying to us. You know, in order for us to really get confirmation that buyers were in the market, it was here during the month of February. So following February, we should have saw a continuation. We should have saw price continue to go up. And instead, we're seeing price continue to trend lower. There's not a lot of demand here in Snap right now. There's a lot of uncertainty. People don't feel confident in this market. So we got to continue to anticipate that weakness is going to continue to go through. People are going to continue to sell more often than they come through and buy. So now we have to lower our price target then. My next level is for us to see price come to like $26.25. My second price target is going to be 24. Okay. Those are the only two price targets I'm going to drop on the chart today. Okay. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. First area is going to be right around here. Like $26, and let's do 35.50 cents. Okay, that gives us what, 11.86% right there. Okay, then my next one is going to be down here towards 24. Okay, now that gives us what, 19.25% movement to the downside. We're going to continue to play the weakness into the market and Snap until we see the price again break above 36. I would say around 36 to 30, yeah, $36. Okay. Now I'm going to hold this $28 price because I'm not crazy. Like I've said, we confirmed through history that buyers came in and propped up price and Snap at 28. So if I continue to see that, then I know I need to cut this play and play the long side, play the buy side. But if I don't see that, then we are already sitting in position to allow the market to continue to decline. And that's it. Now it's your turn. Drop me a comment real quick and tell me what you think. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.